back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. Very simple today. We're going to do ham, tomato and some Gorgonzola, or a blue type of cheese. I'm using a baguette today. When you cut your baguette, make sure they can fit into your sandwich maker. Let's do this. So this could not be simpler. We're not adding any butter on this. We're not going to put anything in. If you want, you could put some mayo in, but I don't find it necessary. Just going to get some nice slices of our Gorgonzola. That lovely blue cheese, I really love that. A couple of slices of ham in there, of your choice. And then some tomato. 4 pieces I'm going to put in each one. No salt, but I am going to add some black pepper. If you wanted, like I say, some mayonnaise, or even if you want a little bit of pesto or something like that, but keeping this one nice and easy. What we're going to do, fold it in, give it a push down, and then over to the griddle or the grill. I'm just going to make one more of those. Alright, super easy. So I've done the other one, in it goes. And like I say, the only thing you've got to really watch here for is that your baguette is not too long and fits in. About 4 minutes, high heat. Let's get those over. Press that down. Super easy and amazing. I love these ones. Okie dokie, let's jump inside. That's about 4 minutes. They look absolutely divine. Let's see if I can get them both out at the same time. Look at that. Okay, onto the chopping board. Let's have a look. Alright, we grab a knife. Nice and hard there. Crack that open. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me give it a taste. Oh man, I really love this one, but I'm a big blue cheese fan. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.